Hello, friends. Good evening to you. Now, today we are sitting on 26th of the month of August, and let's look up how the day went by. Thursday and Friday, we saw there was a trading range day. The prices moved between 24,853 and 24,784. These were the two boundaries in which the prices had moved. And we had expected that the prices would either break out on the upside or on the downside. Both possibilities did exist. However, we were expecting the market to be bearish because of a harami pattern which was formed on the daily chart. To the contrary, the market opened up on the plus side today and it broke upwards, and then it moved straight up, followed by a channel at the far at during the later part of the day. That is how has the day been. Now, currently, there is no particular pattern indication of a reversal. What it is saying is what the technical analysis says in a situation like this: the trend in motion continues to be in motion. So, as per that, this 25,075, this level, not this level will get broken by tomorrow or day after. That should be the prediction because the trend is in motion, and it is met with the resistance. With momentum being strong currently, I think it should break through. But then there is one drawback which is figuring out in the chart is this particular day today, when you look at the volume bar and you look at the price bar. Now this is a part of volume price analysis. So from price analysis we are not able to predict anything except that the momentum is in place, the trend is in force, the prices should break through the resistance, but resistance of 25,075. But the question is this price bar a strong one or not a strong one? When we look at the volume and when we look at the volume of the previous bar, don't you see that in the previous bar the volume, so much of the volume produced a small body, and in today's bar the same amount of volume produced such a huge body? So isn't there an anomaly here, that the same amount of volume is producing two different type of bodies? Here it produced a small body, here it produced a huge body. Now, this is where the problem is. If it has produced a long body, that means the market makers are testing the market. The move which has happened today is not a strong move, it is not supported by huge volume. Huge volumes would mean a situation like this, where you, a situation like this. See, this bar is supported by a huge volume, it is more than the average volume. This bar is not supported by a huge volume, and there is where the anomaly is. And in case of an anomaly, it means that there is going to be a change in a trend. Now, change in a trend doesn't mean it's going to reverse. Change, when I say change in a trend, it means that it can move horizontal also. So tomorrow can be a day that can possibly be a day that the prices cling to this in a horizontal fashion, whereas absolute reversal of the trend as of now is not seen, is not observed. Depending upon how the day comes up tomorrow, as of now there is no signal for it. So there are sometimes days when the market, when technical analysis does not give you a very clear cut signal of a change, but in that case it is the preceding motion which is happening is considered as valid and strong, but the signal is weak, which means even the preceding motion from volume price analysis says is not, this particular candle was contributed by market makers, and it can be a fake move, not a strong move. which can break through this resistance. So let's see how the day comes up tomorrow. Thank you.